of a trading session around 14:14. So it's a matter of little 20 minutes plus 22 minutes of continuous trading sessions made a $10 deposit to $100 balance. In other words, $90 profit in 20 minutes. And as you can see on the first starting screen, at the 13:49, I traded the $990 and I lost because I intentionally did this to make a starting point as a $10 because IQ option demo account gives you automatically $1,000 deposit, but it's too big and it's unrealistic, so I got rid of the $990 out of the balance. So it starts from $10 deposit, the same thing, because it's more realistic to you to just deposit $10. There's no need to make a $1,000 or $100 deposit because you can make these balance starting from $10, and that's the point of this demo. From here, it will change to a real-time video, so you can, and I'll make some comments along my trading sequences. Also, as you can see, I have configured IQ option platform using 30 seconds candlestick and applying the Bollinger Band, which is very useful. I will comment while I'm trading. And the first amount starting from $5, in other words 50% of the $10 deposit, to just gain quick leverage, because you have to win anyway. If you are afraid of losing, there's no point of trading. So just to get the quick leverage in the beginning, so we have a nice start. Anyway, you will see how it works. So hope you enjoy, and here we go. Okay, now here I am on a trading platform with $5 in a trading position, and remaining $5 is current balance. I placed this put trade because it's a pretty promising downward candlestick right on the Bollinger Band. And Bollinger Band, if it's downward, it's very promising. It will continually grow into that direction for another minute or two at least. So with a candlestick, it's about 3 to 4 candlestick, 30 seconds candlestick. So I placed this as easy winning. And as you can see, even it bounced back, it's still below my trading position, so I won. And I'm continually placing the downwards. I have about 40 seconds left to be concluded the second trade. It's still growing downwards. It reversed, but it's not the complete reversal yet. Therefore, it's gonna fall down a little bit more by the time in the next 15 seconds. It's a little resistance, it's undecided. Now it came down, and so it looks like another easy win. Here we go. So I won twice in a row, and the balance became $18.70. The next one, I needed to confirm whether the reversal taken place or not. So I still placed the put trade, but it's evidently reversal has taken its place. So now it's growing upwards. So this one I've lost, but it's okay because it's a confirmation for the reversal. Losing once is okay, but never lose twice in a row. And if you lose 3 times in a row, it's almost point of no return. So the next one I have to win, no matter what. So this is upwards. It's a reversal direction, and it will continue again another minute or 2. So I have about 35 seconds left, and it's growing nicely upwards. So this is easy win because I already confirmed it's a bullish upwards trend. And another 14 minutes, 12 minutes, seconds. So this is already won. Here we go. So I have traded 1, 2, 3, 4 and won 3 and lost 1. That's okay. The next one is still continually going up, but I have to wait and see the behavior. Is it reversed to downwards or not? I don't know. But I placed upwards, still going uptrend. But this one, it looks like I lost. So I'm opening the new session before the conclusion of the last trade. So reversal has taken place. So now I'm trading towards downwards, and it's still above my trading position, but it's a downward trend now. So just has to be patient. I still have another 40 seconds to see where it's gonna end up. So the last trade I lost, to confirm it's a downwards bearish trend now. It's still above my trading position, but it will conclude below it in about next 15 seconds. And that's important. As you can see, it tried to go upwards, but there's so much resistance there because it's downwards now. And I concluded I barely made it, but anyway, I won at the last moment. So go for the next one. Next one, maybe it's reversed to the upwards. I don't know yet for sure. I have to see because it's resistances. Okay, I decided to go down because downward motion is stronger than upward motion at this time. So it looks okay. Okay, now it's very strong. It's a bearish going down, and just a matter of a few seconds to conclude this position, and it's obviously I won. Okay, now we got to the $21.75. This is the first step. It's a very crucial step to win 100%. And the next step is to win 200%, to make the balance $30. And after that, it's going to become very easy. You will see how it becomes easy after $30 balance. I'm still waiting for the next trade, which way to go. It's going down, but it may be reaching its limit, and maybe it's gonna reverse. So now you see all these wicks. See, it almost looks like reverse. I have to see another like 15 seconds, 10-15 seconds to see if reversal has occurred or not. Some resistance, but its reversal upwards force is stronger. But I placed put downwards because it's undecided yet. It's going towards down, because if it's reversed already for the upwards, it should be the candlestick, green candlestick should be much bigger. So it is still downwards, and it's not the big win. It's the last moment of the resistance. After this, it'll be probably reversed. I have to see. The next goal is to reach $30 balance. Right now it's a lot of resistance, it's undecided, so I take it easy and watch. Maybe it still goes down, but the candlestick is a little small. I place the put anyway for the downwards, because upwards candlestick is also too small. So maybe it's gonna carry on the previous trend. It's a verge to reverse. Not quite reverse, but this one I lost. Okay, now reversal has taken place. It's a confirmation. So the next one will grow upwards. It's obvious. So I placed right away. I placed the call trace right away to the next position. It's still a lot of resistance, but we'll see. So now that one penetrated pretty good, and now it's keep growing up. It's promising. There's no hesitation to go down. It's penetrating the middle Bollinger Band, and the middle Bollinger Band it's a little resistance there. But anyway, so I won. I haven't lost 2 times in a row, so it's fine. And this penetration of the middle Bollinger Band kind of promising it will grow all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band. So I'm still placing the call position, and it looks pretty much promising. Again, current goal is to reach $30 balance. I lost once, so I have to win twice in order to get that loss back, and this is a good position. Now it's reversed, but I still have enough leverage. Okay, now it was reversed towards the end of the last trade. As you can see, now it's a downwards. It's pretty much confirmed that it's reversed to go downwards, but I kind of have to see, because the last one didn't go up all the way to the Bollinger Band, but I placed the put. Anyway, it's not the weak, it's not the strong reversal. However, there's probably one more candlestick going downwards. Oh no, I lost it. So I'm still have a $24 balance now, so it didn't reverse. It's in the middle, it's undecided, either go up or down, so I'm waiting and wait and see how it goes. Okay, now it's a reversal. It's pretty strong now, so it's gonna go down. It's a little resistance and hesitation here, but it will go down. See, now you can understand why it's so difficult from 20 to go up to 30. $20 to grow to the $30. You have to go one step at a time. Okay, one more trade. If I win, I'm gonna reach $30 balance. This one is very tricky. It's a very short candlesticks with long wicks. It's very undecided, so I have to wait and see. This green upwards candlestick was very short, so I decided to place put because it will probably gonna be reversed, but that may be a little wishful thinking. It looks like growing up, but okay, it's a very little reversal catched at the end of this trade, so I won. So now it's a $33.50 balance, which makes me much easier now. I raised the trading amount from $5 to $30.50 because even if I lose, I still have a $20 balance. But this will give a nice leverage if I win, and so you have to really focus. This is going up. It's a nice upwards trend. It's almost reaching the Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band. Okay, it's penetrated the Bollinger Band. Okay, that's a pretty promising. It's gonna grow a little farther upwards. So I placed call because that penetration to the Bollinger Band, that candlestick was pretty long. Now it has a wick. So this is a little resistance here around the Bollinger Band. But I placed the call anyway. Now it's coming down after I placed the trade. However, reversal did not take place. It was still going upwards trend, so my prediction was correct. And it's a good win if I win this one. See, I won $25.25. Now my balance jumped up to the 45. So now you can see how it's becoming a little more easier. Now I'm gonna increase the trading amount to 20. and it's already reversed. Now it's going downwards. It's very promising and sure. So even the trading amount is kind of big compared to before, using just a $5. If it's promising, why not? This is a little resistance there, but here we go. I won. Now its balance is 62.65. It grew another 100% from $30 to $60. It's a continually going down now. Just confirm how strong it is. It's pretty strong. So it's gonna last for easy another 30 seconds without a reversal. Maybe a little resistance, but not 100% reversal. Just it is going only like a few to 10-20 pips up and down, but finally decided to go down, and that's okay. So now it's already, balance became $80. So now how quick it was from $30 to become $80, gain another $50 in a matter of 3 minutes or so. And this will be the last trade for this session to make $100 balance. So I make trading amount to $30, because even I lose, I still have a $50 balance. So it's a good amount trade at this point to gain more leverage at once. It looks like a nice going upwards trend. Now I'm still watching, because there's a little long time for the expiry. I still have like a 50 seconds or more, so I have to see the right time to place the trade, as close as possible to the last 30 seconds expiry range. I'm still looking at I pressed in the last moment. I pressed the trade in the last moment, but it was a timeout. It exceeded the deadline, so I have to try again from the scratch. But it gives me another minute and a half, and now I have another like 60 seconds to decide. This is a big trade during this session, so I have to kind of I have to make sure I place to the right position and direction. Okay, I'm almost willing to place call here, but I'm not sure, so I'm hesitating and waiting, because those candlesticks are very small right now, movements. It can go either way in any matter of a second, so it's not worth engage the trade yet. And the candlesticks are just very hesitant. Okay, now the downwards looks good. Okay, it's there, so I place the trade and see how it ends up. It's very close, but the verdict is almost here in the next 20 seconds. I'm winning now and looks promising because it hasn't reached the Bollinger Band yet. It will grow towards the Bollinger Band, the bottom Bollinger Band. Okay, here we go. Now it's a winning and I exceeded the $100 balance in 20 minutes. So this one can be applied to the next 20 minutes if I want to go from 100 to 1000. But anyway, so basically you saw how it was successful starting from $10 deposit with using the $5 trading amount as the beginning, and in a 20 minutes it grew to $100 balance. Actually it's $106 balance, so it's much better than $100.